G'day, Stu Dave. Hope you guys are doing well. Um, just a quick little update here. So I'm about to launch the four other events for the Airbnb. So we've got Adelaide, Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane ones. So end of the month. I think three or 4 weeks is they're about 3 or 4 weeks out. So I think launching by the end of this week give us a good lead time. Um, so very much similar strategy to what we've done with the first three events. But what I have done is I've just gone with the better performing of the two. I was running two separate copies and two separate images for the first three. So I've kept all the same images, but I've scrapped one of the versions of copy, which was headline one, or copy one, and I've just introduced a second variation. So that's it there. So it's Adelaide, or I'll call it the city. So Adelaide, the Airbnb workshop is coming to you. Come and discover how couple Nicole and Aaron built a six-figure business on Airbnb using other people's properties. They'll show the exact seven-step system they use to generate income within 90 days on Airbnb. Free tickets for this event in the past have moved fast, so don't miss out. Get yours today. Link, bang. So I will get that up and running as well. Now in terms of budgets, I have it set at 320 a day. So I'll probably launch each at 320 a day. I know we were working to about a 25K budget. I think so far for the first three events we've spent 15, and it looks like it'll probably get up to about 16 or 17 and maybe 17 and a half by the weekend. So by the time I switch them off, so I'll launch them. And I know, Dave, you said there might be if we see the results, you guys are happy to keep increasing the spend as long as the results are there. So I'll launch them at 320 for now, and obviously we can just adjust that. We can bring it down if you want to pull back the spend, or we can start scaling it up and increasing that. So yeah, I will just thought it'd be easier if I just shot you through a quick video. Hope you're both doing well, and I will chat to you guys soon and reach out if you got any questions or anything. Thank you.